In today's fast-paced world, the ability to think critically and solve problems effectively is more crucial than ever. These skills empower us to navigate complex situations, make sound judgments, and achieve our goals. By honing our critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, we unlock our potential for success in all aspects of life. Whether we are students, professionals, or simply individuals seeking to make sense of the world around us, these skills are essential. They enable us to analyze information objectively, identify patterns, and make informed decisions that lead to positive outcomes. By embracing critical thinking and problem solving, we embark on a journey of continuous learning and growth. We develop resilience, adaptability, and the confidence to tackle life's challenges head-on. Critical thinking is the art of analyzing information objectively and forming judgments based on evidence rather than emotions or biases. It involves questioning assumptions, identifying biases, and evaluating arguments logically. At its core, critical thinking is about seeking the truth. It requires us to be skeptical, to challenge our own beliefs, and to be open to different perspectives. By engaging in critical thinking, we develop a deeper understanding of ourselves, others, and the world in which we live. Critical thinking is not about being negative or judgmental. It is about being thoughtful, discerning, and objective in our assessments. It is about forming well-reasoned opinions based on careful consideration of all available information. Life is full of challenges, big and small. Problem solving is the process of identifying, analyzing, and finding solutions to these challenges. It is a systematic approach to overcoming obstacles and achieving desired outcomes. Effective problem solving requires creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to experiment. It involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts and then developing strategies to address each part. The ability to solve problems is essential for success in all areas of life. It allows us to adapt to changing circumstances, overcome adversity, and achieve our goals. In today's rapidly evolving world, where information is readily available but not always reliable, we find ourselves in a constant state of flux. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are more important than ever. These skills enable us to sift through the noise and focus on what truly matters. We are constantly bombarded with information from various sources, each vying for our attention and often presenting conflicting viewpoints. It is up to us to discern fact from fiction, truth from falsehood, and make sense of the world around us. The rise of technology has brought about both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, it has revolutionized the way we live and work. While it has given us access to vast amounts of information at our fingertips, it has also made it easier for misinformation and disinformation to spread like wildfire. This deluge of information can be overwhelming, and it is crucial to develop the ability to critically evaluate the content we encounter. This is where critical thinking comes in. It empowers us to question assumptions, analyze arguments, and draw well-reasoned conclusions. By developing our critical thinking skills, we can navigate the digital landscape with discernment, evaluate information objectively, and make informed decisions that are based on evidence and logic. We can also use technology to our advantage, leveraging its power to connect with others, access resources, and solve problems collaboratively. In this interconnected world, collaboration and communication are key. By working together and sharing knowledge, we can overcome challenges and achieve common goals. Leveraging digital tools and platforms, we can foster innovation, build strong relationships, and create a brighter future for all. Section 5. Overcoming obstacles to clear thinking. While the importance of critical thinking and problem-solving is undeniable, several barriers can hinder our ability to think clearly and effectively. These obstacles can manifest in various forms, making it challenging to navigate through complex situations and arrive at sound conclusions. One common barrier is cognitive biases, which are systematic errors in thinking that arise from our brain's tendency to simplify information processing. These biases can lead us to make flawed decisions based on incomplete or inaccurate information. Emotional reasoning is another obstacle that can cloud our judgment. When emotions such as anger, fear, or sadness dominate our thoughts, they can distort our perception of reality and lead us to make irrational choices. When our emotions run high, it can be difficult to think rationally and make sound decisions. This emotional interference can prevent us from seeing situations clearly and evaluating them objectively. Similarly, confirmation bias can lead us to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs while ignoring evidence that contradicts them. This selective thinking reinforces our preconceptions and prevents us from considering alternative viewpoints. To enhance our critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, we need to be aware of these barriers and develop strategies to overcome them. This requires a conscious effort to recognize when our thinking is being influenced by biases or emotions. This involves cultivating self-awareness, challenging our own assumptions, and seeking out diverse perspectives. By doing so, we can improve our ability to think clearly, make better decisions, and solve problems more effectively. Section 6. Sharpening your mind strategies for success. Fortunately, there are several practical strategies we can employ to enhance our critical thinking and problem-solving skills. One effective approach is to engage in active learning. This involves asking questions, seeking out new information, and challenging our own assumptions. Another valuable strategy is to practice mindfulness. By paying attention to the present moment without judgment, we can improve our focus, reduce stress, and enhance our ability to think clearly. Additionally, seeking out diverse perspectives can broaden our understanding of complex issues and help us identify potential biases in our own thinking. By incorporating these strategies into our daily lives, we can cultivate a more critical and analytical mindset, enabling us to approach challenges with greater confidence and effectiveness. Section 7. Embracing a growth mindset for continuous improvement. Developing strong critical thinking and problem-solving skills is an ongoing process that requires a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that our abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. When we embrace a growth mindset, we view challenges as opportunities for growth and setbacks as learning experiences. We're more likely to persevere in the face of adversity and to seek out feedback that can help us improve. By embracing a growth mindset, we create a virtuous cycle of continuous learning and improvement. We become more adaptable, resilient, and better equipped to navigate the complexities of life. Section 8. The importance of critical thinking in decision-making. Critical thinking is an indispensable skill in decision-making. It involves analyzing information, evaluating evidence, and considering different perspectives before reaching a conclusion. Every day we are faced with countless choices, both big and small. These decisions range from the mundane, like what to eat for breakfast, to the significant, such as career moves or financial investments. From deciding what to eat for breakfast to making major life decisions, the ability to think critically can have a profound impact on our lives. It helps us to avoid impulsive decisions and consider the long-term consequences of our actions. When we engage in critical thinking, we are more likely to make sound judgments based on evidence rather than emotions or biases. This process involves questioning assumptions, seeking out reliable information, and being open to new ideas. We are better equipped to weigh the pros and cons of different options, identify potential risks and benefits, and make informed decisions that align with our values and goals. This methodical approach ensures that we are not swayed by superficial factors or peer pressure. Whether we are making personal or professional decisions, critical thinking can help us navigate the complexities of choice and make choices that lead to positive outcomes. By honing this skill, we can improve our problem-solving abilities and enhance our overall quality of life. Section 9. The interplay of critical thinking and problem-solving. Critical thinking and problem-solving are two sides of the same coin. They are interconnected skills that work in tandem to help us navigate the world around us. Critical thinking allows us to analyze information objectively, identify problems, and generate potential solutions. Problem-solving, on the other hand, involves putting those solutions into action, evaluating their effectiveness, and making adjustments as needed. These two skills complement and reinforce each other, creating a powerful synergy that enables us to overcome challenges and achieve our goals. By developing both our critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, we become more adaptable, resourceful, and resilient individuals capable of thriving in a constantly changing world. Section 10, the enduring value of a sharp mind. In conclusion, the ability to think critically and solve problems effectively is not a luxury but a necessity in today's complex and ever-changing world. These skills empower us to make sense of information, navigate challenges, and make sound decisions that shape our lives. By embracing critical thinking and problem-solving, we embark on a journey of continuous learning, growth, and self-improvement. We develop a more nuanced and sophisticated understanding of the world and ourselves, enabling us to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. The pursuit of a sharp mind is a lifelong endeavor, but the rewards are immeasurable. By investing in our cognitive abilities, we unlock our full potential and create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come.